Hello my YouTube family. In today's video we are going to guide you that how to fix startup repair couldn't repair your PC in Windows 10 or 11. So let's dive into the video without wasting any time. If your PC is giving you the startup repair option over here, you have to click advanced options over here, and then you have to click advanced options again. It's going to give you this menu and you have to choose command prompt in this menu, and then it's going to open this box for you. In this box you have to write scan now, the prompt over here, and press enter, and then it's going to begin with the system scan, and then you have to enter the other prompt, that is clean up image, and then you have to press enter, and it's going to make the operation successful. Now the next prompt is fix boot, and you can just press enter, and it's going to give you this access is denied in some cases, so you can move to the next prompt, that is rebuild BCD, and then press enter. So it's going to complete the operation, and then you can enter the next prompt, that is chkdsk space /f space c colon, and then it's going to do its work. Now you simply have to put the last prompt, that is exit, and then you can just exit this menu, and now you can just click continue and restart your PC. And if it still persists, you can just troubleshoot your PC, and here you have to just go to the startup settings and restart your PC. So that's the process that you can follow to fix your startup repair. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.